Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody. Let's take a look in the gold market. So we have skipped some days to let market show some performance. So now you can see that in general price takes some reasonable action. So we could consider, and in the first approximation market currently hits the intraday target and retested the previous lows. Potentially we could consider the areas around 1775, 1780. Where it might be some interesting background for taking the short-term bearish positions. On the 4 time frame chart, currently you can see on the daily chart, market is not at overbought, so theoretically it could show us a bit higher action here. But since overall momentum stands strong, as in this moment, as in this one, also recall that we have incompleted the major OP with the engulfing pattern that we have on the monthly chart. So it means that sooner rather than later, but some continuation here has to happen, at least by the technical background. So this should happen. On the 4-hour time frame chart, you could see that first level has been broken, 1740. Next one will be the confluence. It includes major 30% area, as you can see right from the top, and 618 level also, right from the point where this drop has started. So that's most logical next destination point, at least taking into consideration the previous bearish momentum here, the pattern that we have, uncompleted target. It means that we need to consider possible levels, potential levels, where the theoretical market could turn down again, especially on the background that we have currently in the gold market in the United States dollar. So that stands not in favor of the gold. And among the nearest levels, this level seems more probable as a barrier where the gold market could get some resistance and theoretically turn down again. On the hourly chart, with the patterns that we discussed previously, this chart is cheaper to buy, we discussed, if you remember. So our market now is coming to the upper border of the consolidation of this long drop here. And with this ABCD pattern, now it hits the COP target. It's 18 even. In the case of the upward breakout, if this will happen, because currently here, except this natural resistance, we do not have any fib levels. Yes, our upward action looks very gradual and slow. It's not very strong, and so theoretically market could fluctuate inside of the range longer. But if this happens and market indeed will break it up, next target to consider is 1784. This will be OP. And take a look at creates an agreement with the confidence level here. 1775, 1784 stands slightly higher, but relatively close to this area. So it means that potentially 75-84 area we consider for possible taking the short position. Besides, with this upward ABCD action, we will get pretty nice guardrails cheaper to sell right around this area. So that's the trading plan that we could consider. Theoretically, if you trade on a very low time frame charts, so it's a 15-minute chart maybe you will find reasons to go short with this around the COP target, and maybe market will start showing some bounce. But so this is too low time frame, and we do not consider it. So currently we're trying to extract the levels and areas that potentially interesting for trading on the 4 time frame chart and higher. So and that's only the 75-84 area. So let's keep watching how this week will close and what will happen in the beginning of the next one.